Hello, 2023. Ah, I know some of you don't actually know I can sing very well. Do you? Nah, I guess not. Anyways, a happy new year to you and welcome to 2023. I've got three major announcements to make concerning this year and our channel this year. All right, so just stay tuned and I'll be right back. 2023, yes, we made it. We made it. Ah, what an incredible year it was in 2022. Like a lot of stuff's happened generally, both on this channel and in my private life. I think last year we got monetized. That was just last year, 2022, and also too last year I bagged a degree in mechanical engineering. So it's been a win-win situation, or it has been a win-win situation in 2022, even as we look forward to 2023 and more wins. I did this, or I'm making this recording to talk about three major things. Okay, three major things. But before I talk about these three major things, let me first of all say a very big thank you to you. You've made our effort worth it. All right. This channel is whatever thing it is today because of you, the viewers. All right. Thank you for your continuous support all through 2022. Those of you that liked our videos, that commented, that shared our videos, I want to say a very big thank you to you. All right, it's because of you that we make these videos, and we are kind of happy that in our first year we get about 6,000 plus subscribers in about a year, which is very, very impressive. So thank you very much for your support throughout 2022, even as we hope to see more of these supports in this year, 2023. Also, I want to wish you a happy new year in 2023. Your goals and your aspirations in this year, we hope that you can hit them big time. All right, so as I said earlier, there are three things I want to share with you, and that's why I'm making this video. The first thing is this: in this year, or in the coming weeks, we'll be launching our mobile app. Yep, you heard correctly. So we're launching a mobile app for Excellence Academy in some few weeks. All right, I'll notify you when the app is ready. All right, so it's like our first project for this year, a mobile app. I'll let you know when it's very much ready. But just bear in mind that in the coming days, we'll make an announcement of the launch of our new mobile app. Yep. And also, those of you that are sitting for Jamb, Jamb is Joint Admission and Matriculation Board exam this year, 2023. I'm talking about those of you in Nigeria. All right, viewers from Nigeria that will be sitting for Jamb this year. Bear in mind that our Jamb classes this year would be totally online. All right, so we're making the classes online, and the classes will be having new content. For our classes, we have videos or video tutorials for each of the major courses, especially for the sciences, for each topic. And each topic contains past questions and answers for the last 10 years. And these courses will be made available online via our mobile app. All right. If you want to have a mobile app, simply send a direct message to the WhatsApp number you see on your screen right now. All right, so send me a WhatsApp message and we'll send you a link from which you can download the mobile app. All right, so if you're writing Jamb this year, you need guidance. Okay, so be sure to send me a DM on WhatsApp and I'll send you the link to the app, or I'll send you the app directly. Okay, aside that, so it's worthy to note that last year we had students who had 281 Jamb scores, 270, 250 plus Jamb scores, and numerous testimonials from a Jamb exam of or a Jamb preparatory classes of last year. So that's my first announcement, the launching of a mobile app and having to host our Jamb classes online. All right, secondly, I would want to find out from you. Are there, I think so far so good. I've been able to make classes available for specific courses such as calculus, from limits and continuity to differentiation, its application, integration, its application, and up to differential equation of first order. So tell me, are there classes, or are there specific topics you would want us to make classes on? Please feel free, comment below. All right, if you have specific topics that you want us to um, make video tutorials on, all right, simply leave a comment below. We'll go through the comments and make classes on those topics as much as we can. Now finally, I've been getting direct messages from people all over the world asking me questions and needing my assistance. All right. If for any reason you need my assistance as either a personal tutor or to guide you through one or two courses there, feel free to send me a direct message to my WhatsApp number. Okay. If you need a course coaching, a private class, yes, I also host private classes online via any medium, maybe via Zoom, via WhatsApp, or perhaps I have personalized YouTube videos for some specific persons. So if you want a one-on-one coaching session or for a smaller group in your community, please reach me out on WhatsApp via the WhatsApp number you see on your screen there, and then would I'll get to you. All right. Perhaps we could reach an agreement, and I'll get to you surely. All right. With this said, again, let me thank you for your continuous support in 2022. Please, for our videos, I think we'll be continuing with the calculus series. All right. I think and the last video was really on calculus application of differentiation, which we continue from. Okay, well, I will try to cover up calculus by in this year. I will try to cover up calculus as much as I can. All right. So thank you for your continuous support. Thank you for listening. Please always do well to like our videos. Okay, it helps the algorithm to know that we are creating good content. So if you enjoy any of our videos, do well to hit the like button, subscribe to our videos, and also share to your friends as much as you can. All right, then, with that said, I think we are done here. So thank you and welcome to 2023 once again. See you later. Bye.